You are welcome to Motion Digit Tutorials. Introducing a quick guide for Adobe After Effects EC. Today, I am going to show you the best export setting for your animations in After Effects EC. If you have downloaded our free video intro templates, or if you have used our service on Fiverr and you got the project files, this tutorial will guide you through the best settings to render out your animations. Also, in another video, I will show you best video export setting for YouTube and Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's begin. Go to Composition. Then choose Add to Render Queue. This will bring up the render queue on your timeline. You can also use Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac on your keyboard to activate it. On the left down of your screen, click on the Best Settings option. Set Best for the quality and Full for resolution from the pop-up and hit OK. Now, select the Lossless to bring up the video format settings. For format, choose QuickTime Movie. You will need to have QuickTime installed to see this option. Otherwise, choose AVI from the drop-down. Now, for channel. Choose RGB. Here you can set RGB plus alpha if you want a transparent video. If you want to know more about how to render out a video with a transparent background, leave a comment below. I can show you that on a different tutorial. Click on the Format option button to set your preferred video codec. Here, I will set mine as animation. Then, for the audio output and format option, leave the default settings and hit OK. Very good. Finally, select Output to. This is where you name your file. And select a destination folder from your PC. Make sure you set a path you can remember. Then hit OK. On the extreme right, click the Render button to start exporting your video. The render time will depend on your machine and animation duration. A quick tip here: on the caps lock on your keyboard. This will disable the preview playback, thereby boosting your computer performance. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. It helps us do more. Leave a comment if you have any request or question.